Hello guys, this is your show Senpai back again with another video. Today's video is going to be the special area operation video. There is a new type of special operation here. There are other two also. I will bring those later, but for now today's week's the recent one is Golden Desert, but with a twist. So without any further delay, let's go and see how to do it.
Cash lay beside me, trees all around me. Got this white bitch like Versace, hot as fuck, all that wasabi.
So in this mission, the twist is that the sandstorm is really high here, and the enemies need to be shot from scope to kill them, which means is your scope has a hologram effect. I'm not really sure what is it called, but I guess it's something related to temperature hologram filter type. Okay, if I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section. So that is it. You just need to shoot from your scope, which is pretty simple but sometimes hard. I'm fast forwarding the whole process because it is the same Golden Desert, right? Nothing much to see. You just have to shoot and shoot and shoot. It can be easily done with 4 members. I'm here trying with 2 members for now. I can do it solo, but I'm taking my co-op with me in case I die, because there is a part which might be a little hard. I will show that, of course. For this preparation, you just need the basic Golden Desert preparation. I hope you all know the preparation of Golden Desert. You need to temporarily upgrade your modifications and use buffs, then antiseptics. That's all. This kind of missions are kinda good because they make it a little bit challenging, and the game doesn't get really boring, because the game is really fun at this beginning, but when you become a higher level player, and if you are a F2B player actually mostly, then the game actually begins to get boring type. So these kind of contents really help to keep the hype up for the game. So yeah, this is the same sniper part where you need to kill all the snipers. Why I'm using sniper instead of shotgun, you all know, I guess, because here you need to use your scope. You cannot use RDS or KSG here, which is a little bit problem, but that's fine. My sniper is strong enough, I think. Once you're done killing all the snipers, there will be the usual zombie invasion type thing, but the zombies here are a little bit changed. I don't know why. Maybe according to levels. I saw a little bit of different zombies than the usual Golden Desert zombies. Not much, but a little bit. When you arrive here, you need to check that all of the soldiers are dead or not. Because of the sandstorm, it's really hard to see. I missed 2 soldiers first, so I was finishing them at the last moment. Now you place your ammo, you heal, you check everything is okay or not. You don't need to actually stand there. You need to move a little up so you can, because you will use scope, so you just put your ammo here, which way the zombies will more likely to be targeting Natasha, which is good for you, so you can shoot from here. But you need to maintain a certain distance. Here my cohab went a little front, so for that zombies went aggro on us. Don't do that. Try to stay behind, or try to use barricades also. If your armor and shield is not good enough, you can use them to prevent this Dura. No, I think this doesn't has a lot of Dura reduction. It has already 95% discount reduction, which is actually good. So yeah, But for the last part, you need to run as soon as you see that Natasha's husband is coming, like the one Lazarov, or what is it? You just need to run away from there, or this will happen. Fortunately, my Kohab was safe, and this was the reason I ran a Kohab. I didn't come alone, because if I died here, the mission would end, right? I wanted to show how to run away, but I forgot till while shooting. I didn't actually notice, because while shooting from the scope, it's really hard to see your surroundings. It's okay. 4 members are really easy to do this. As soon as you see that 30 seconds countdown, just move away from there and let them attack Natasha. Let all the infected. Natasha won't die. Natasha is tanky as fuck. So yeah, for next is the main boss, right? So you heal up. Also try to switch your buffs in between, like how I did, because first is mercenaries. Like if you are doing it duo or your team is weak, then you should change your buff to a stronger one for the last boss. The boss is the same, you just need to shoot carefully, of course, because the damage is actually a lot. So you come there and remember to put a lot of ammo box here and there. Tell your teammates also, like place everywhere wherever you can. One person can place 3 ammo box at a time, so place ammo box everywhere. 4 member means 12 ammo box, which will really help you guys, believe me, because you have to run all along the place from this boss, because you want to stay as far as possible, because when you're using assault, you need to be in a middle range so you can shoot far more better. If you get too close, the boss will do the counter attack and you will get massive damage. I'm fast forwarding all the parts because this is all the same SN Castle. There is nothing much new, but yeah, I wanted to show you guys whoever might be stucking with this mission. It's really easy, just go for people, take all the buffs, try to work for your DPS, don't depend on team. I say this to everyone, even if you are weak, try to do your best. Even if you think you are weak, try to give your best, and someday you will see you have the highest DPS. Motivational quote from Sho Senpai 2021. It's funny, yeah. Once you kill the boss, the mission is over, and that's it. We got aces. Wow, that's nice. It's really nice. The first time I do this, maybe I got only ace minus or something. Holy shit, purple box. When I did this, I didn't get purple box. Sad life. This always happens to me. When I carry, everyone get purple. Okay guys, that was it for today. Thank you for watching this, and hopefully this helped you a little bit to see what is inside the special area operation. I will come back again with new contents. Till then, take care, stay safe.